Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Beat with Ben. I'm Ben, your friendly English coach, and today we're diving into something that's going to supercharge your language skills. The title says it all. Stop saying this. 10 common English mistakes you never noticed. If you're an English learner tired of those sneaky errors that slip into your conversations, emails, or social media posts, this episode is your game changer. Imagine speaking English so flawlessly that native speakers high-five you. Yeah, that's the goal. Before we jump in, let me ask you, have you ever said something in English and then thought, wait, did that sound right? Raise your hand if that's you. Pause for a second. Go ahead. Raise it, even if you're listening alone. See, we're in this together. As your teacher today, I'll break down these mistakes in simple English, explain the vocabulary, throw in some fun stories and even a bit of comedy to keep things light. By the end, you'll feel inspired to crush your English goals. And hey, if you're watching on video, comment below with your biggest aha moment. We'll merge your thoughts into future episodes. Let's hook you right in. Did you know that even famous celebrities make these blunders? Like, picture a Hollywood star messing up your and your in a tweet. Embarrassing, right? But don't worry, we're fixing that today. Stick around because mistake number 5 will blow your mind. Ready? Let's roll. First up, mistake number 1. Mixing up your and your. Oh boy, this is a classic. Your means something belongs to you, like your book or your phone. Simple possession. But your is short for you are, like you're amazing, which you are, by the way. So, why do people confuse them? It's that sneaky apostrophe. It's a contraction where two words smash together and drop letters. Vocabulary alert. Contraction means shortening words like don't for do not. Example time. Wrong. You're going to love this. Right. You're going to love this. See the difference? If you've ever texted that, no judgment. I've done it too. For fun, imagine a comedian saying, your dog's barking because you're not feeding it. Wait, or is it you're not feeding it? Boom, grammar fail. Laugh with me, folks. Now, interact. In the comments or your mind, tell me. Have you caught yourself doing this? Practice saying the right one 3 times. You're awesome. You're learning. You're improving. Feel that confidence boost? Moving on to mistake 2. There, and there. These 3 sound the same. Homophones, which means words that sound alike but mean different things. Vocabulary boost. Homophones are like sound twins in English, tricky for learners. There points to a place like the book is over there. There shows ownership for a group like their house is big. And there is they are, as in they're happy. Wrong example. They're going to their house over there. Yikes, that's a mess. Right. They're going to their house over there. Hook alert. This mistake has ruined job applications. Don't let it be you. For comedy, picture this. A pirate says, their treasure is over there. And his crew replies, they're confused, Captain. Ha ha ha. Pirate grammar fails. Engage with me. Whisper to yourself, which one would you use in brah, ass friends are coming? If you said, there, gold star. As your teacher, remember, practice makes perfect. Try writing a sentence with all 3 correctly. Mistake 3. It's versus its. Similar to the first one, but no you involved. Its is possessive, like the dog wags its tail. No apostrophe because it's not a contraction. Its means it is or it has, like it's raining or it's been fun. Why the mix-up? Apostrophes can be confusing, but think, if you can expand it to it is, use its. Example. Wrong. The company lost its money. Right. The company lost its money. Inspirational tip. Fixing this makes your writing look pro. Imagine acing that email to your boss. Fun twist. What if a cat said, "Its fur is soft. Wait, it's fur." Cat comedy. Anyone. Now, audience merge. If you're on video, type "its" or "its" in a sentence below. I'll shout out the best ones next time. You're not just listening, you're part of the show. Hook for number 4. Ever compared things wrong? Then versus than. Than is for comparisons, like taller than you. Then is for time or sequence, like first eat, then sleep. Vocabulary. Comparison means looking at differences, key for debates or reviews. Wrong. I'm better than him. Right. I'm better than him. But hey, be kind. No one's better. We're all learning. Comedy break. I ate pizza, then I felt sick. Wait then? No then. Pizza regrets are real. Interact. Think of your day. I woke up. Had breakfast. Fill in then. As Ben your teacher, this small fix elevates your stories. Feel empowered? Mistake 5. Mind blower alert. Affect and effect. Affect is usually a verb, meaning to influence, like rain affects my mood. Effect is a noun, the result, like the effect of rain is puddles. But wait, exceptions. Effect can be a verb meaning to cause, like affect change. Vocabulary. Verb is action word. Noun is thing. Wrong. The affect of coffee is energy. Right. The effect of coffee is energy. Hook. This trips up even writers. Fix it, and you're elite. Fun story. I once said, "How does this affect you?" My friend laughed. "It affects me by making me correct you." Engage. Does weather affect your plans? Share in comments. We'll discuss. Halfway there, champs. Take a breath. You're crushing this. Mistake 6. Lose versus loose. Lose means to misplace or fail, like don't lose your keys. Loose means not tight, like loose pants. Why common? Spelling looks similar. Wrong. I don't want to lose the game. Right. I don't want to lose the game. Inspirational. Losing a game teaches, but loose grammar loses points. Comedy. My belt is loose. Wait, loose. Now, I'll lose my pants. Slapstick humor. Interact. Have you lost something loose? Tell me. Merge your tales into our community. Number 7. Saying could've instead of could have. This comes from hearing could've, the contraction. Of is wrong, it's have. Example. Wrong. I could have gone. Right. I could have gone. Vocabulary. Modal verb, like could, pairs with have for past possibilities. Hook. Sound smarter instantly. Fun. I could have eaten more. Of course I could have. Foodie fail. As teacher practice. I should have. Say it aloud. You're building habits. Mistake 8. I could care less when you mean I couldn't care less. The right one means zero interest. Wrong version implies you do care a bit. Opposite. Wrong. I could care less about grammar. But if you say that, you do care. Right. I couldn't care less. Comedy. I could care less. Wait. No, I couldn't. Flip-flop funny. Engage. What do you couldn't care less about? Comment. We'll laugh together. Inspirational. Precise words show confidence. 9. Misusing literally. It means actually true, not exaggeration. Wrong. I'm literally dying of laughter. Unless you are dramatic. Right. Use for facts like, I literally ran a marathon. Vocabulary. Figuratively is the opposite for metaphors. Hook. This word's overuse is literally everywhere. Fun. I'm literally on fire. Call the fire department. Exaggeration alert. Interact. Share your literally slip-ups. Finally, 10. Irregardless. It's not a word. Use regardless, meaning despite everything. Wrong. Irregardless of the weather. Right. Regardless of the weather. Why? Ir means not, but regardless already does. Comedy. Irregardless? That's irregardlessly wrong. Wordplay win. As Ben, you're now armed. Go conquer. Wow, we covered a lot. You listened or watched through 10 mistakes, laughed, interacted, and learned. I'm proud. You're not just learners. You're English masters in the making. Remember, mistakes are stepping stones. Practice daily. Share this with friends. Subscribe for more, and comment your wins. Plans? Share in comments. We'll discuss.